My name is Ben. I am a licensed physical therapist, and I will be guiding you through a series of progressive muscle relaxation exercises. To optimize the effectiveness of this activity, be sure that you're in a quiet, warm, and distraction-free setting. You can perform these exercises laying down, in supported sitting, or reclined, so long as your body is totally supported. Progressive muscle relaxation is an exercise technique that relaxes your mind and your body by progressively tensing and relaxing major muscle groups throughout the body. You will tense each muscle group without straining and then release the tension and feel the muscles relax. You will tense each muscle group for about 5 seconds. If you have any pain or discomfort in any of the muscle groups, please do not continue through that particular muscle group. Throughout the exercise, you may find it beneficial to visualize the muscles you are tensing and a wave of relaxation flowing over them as you release the tension. It is important that you keep breathing throughout the exercise. Now, let's begin. Allow your attention to focus only on your body. If you begin noticing your mind wandering, bring it back to the muscle group you are working on. Let's begin by focusing on your breathing. Take a deep breath through your abdomen, hold a few seconds, and exhale slowly. Again, as you breathe, notice your stomach rising and your lungs filling with air. As you exhale, imagine the tension in your body being released and flowing out of your body. And again, inhale and exhale. Feel your body already relaxing. As you go through each step, remember to keep breathing. The first group of muscles will be those attached to the cranium. Tighten the muscles in your forehead by raising your eyebrows as high as you can. Hold for about 5 seconds and abruptly release, feeling the tension fall away. Now, smile widely, feeling your mouth and cheeks tense. Hold for about 5 seconds and release, appreciating the softness in your face. Next, tighten your eye muscles by squinting your eyelids tightly shut. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Gently pull your head back as if to look at the ceiling. Hold for about 5 seconds and release, feeling the tension melting away. Now, let the weight of your relaxed head and neck sink. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Let go of all your stress. Breathe in, breathe out. Now, clench your fists tightly without straining and hold this position for about 5 seconds and release. Now, flex your biceps. Feel that buildup of tension. You may even visualize that muscle tightening. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Enjoy the feeling of going limp. Breathe in and out. Now, tighten your triceps by extending your arms out, locking your elbows. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Now, lift your shoulders up as if they could touch your ears. Hold for about 5 seconds and quickly release, feeling their heaviness. Now, tense your upper back by pulling your shoulder blades back, trying to make your shoulder blades touch. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Tighten your chest by taking a deep breath in. Hold for about 5 seconds and exhale, blowing out all the tension. Now, tighten the muscles in your stomach by sucking in. Hold for about 5 seconds and release. Gently arch your lower back. Hold for about 5 seconds, then relax. Feel the limpness in your upper body, letting go of the tension and the stress. Hold for about 5 seconds and relax. Tighten your buttocks. Again, hold about 5 seconds, release. Imagine your hips falling loose. Tighten your thighs by pressing your knees together as if you were squeezing a pillow between them. Hold 5 seconds and release. Now, flex your feet, pulling your toes towards you and feeling the tension in your calves. Hold for about 5 seconds and relax, feeling the weight of your legs sinking down. Now, curl your toes under you, tensing your feet. Hold 5 seconds and release. Now, imagine a wave of relaxation slowly spreading through your body, beginning at your head and going all the way down to the bottoms of your feet. Feel the weight of your relaxed body. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out.